What to do if you get food poisoning during your holidays? I am Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my channel. Watch out the sign and symptoms of food poisoning, especially when you are feeling sick. So what are the common signs and symptoms of food poisoning? Feeling sick, nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, pain in stomach, sometimes high temperature like a 38 degrees Celsius or more than 38 degrees Celsius, generally unwell, such as feeling tired or having aches and chills. If you are unwell and need treatment, then please call to your travel insurance provider and they will advise you accordingly about the nearest health facilities. So number one, rest up and drink plenty of fluids. Avoid fruit juices and fizzy drinks though, as these can make your tummy worse and even you will feel more unwell. Eat balanced food, rehydrate yourself with plenty of fluids. Take medication to stop diarrhea. Seek medical help because loss of water and salt from your body could make the situation worse and could be fatal. Thank you very much for watching this video.